Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making savory chicken salad sandwiches. This is something I do quite often, and being in self-quarantine, I find myself trying to make meals stretch, and I made an entire chicken in the Instant Pot and shredded the chicken, and this will be the second recipe from my Instant Pot whole chicken. I will link that recipe video below, but today I'm making chicken salad. Okay, so here is my leftover chicken. Basically, I reserved most of the chicken breast from the chicken. So I'm going to be chopping this up for the chicken salad. And I also will be using, here I have a combination of mayonnaise and salad dressing. Some of you know that as Miracle Whip, but definitely use just a good mayonnaise or what you have at home. Here I have some fresh parsley. I just plucked some of the good leaves from parsley that I have in the fridge. Here I have a little bit of celery that I'm using. I had a little bit of celery left. This is the celery heart with the leaves, and I'll be chopping that up. One green onion that I have. This is a sweet mini bell pepper, an orange one. I also have some salt, lemon pepper, and regular pepper that I'll be adding, but that's what's going into my chicken salad today. So I'm gonna get everything ready and start putting it together. Okay, so I have all my ingredients chopped and ready, and I have a few extra ingredients that I'm gonna be adding. So first things first, the chicken. Now I'm going to add my mayo salad dressing combo. Again, just use mayo. And if I had to guess the amount that I put in here, somewhere between a 1/3 cup and a 1/2 cup. If you want things a little bit creamier, add more. Sometimes you could also add a little Greek yogurt, sour cream. I like to add fresh Mexican table cream sometimes, but you know, I'm gonna do it with this today. Now my chopped vegetables. I'm gonna add pepper. Now here's the extra ingredient. I feel like it needs a little bit of a kick. So some crushed red pepper. And to brighten things up, I'm adding, let's see how much I got out of this. This was half of a small lemon, so 2 teaspoons, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And a little bit of lemon pepper. I like things lemony if you haven't figured that out. So now I'm just going to give this a good mix and combine well. Okay, so I tasted it. One thing I forgot to add is just a little bit of salt. That's to taste. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. I want more fresh squeezed lemon juice. Okay, gonna give that a mix, and this should be perfect. Okay, so today I am using croissant rolls. I have had these in my fridge for quite some time. They're probably on the drier side, but that's okay. I'm still going to use them. You could, if you're in the situation I'm in, you're just going to use what you have in your kitchen. Some of you might not even have bread. Well, guess what? Crackers go well with chicken salad. So I'm using croissant rolls. You could use the bread of your choice or the rolls of your choice. And I'm just going to fill these up with my chicken salad. And this is going to be lunch today. And the chicken salad is a good make-ahead recipe. Here we go. Just like that. I'm gonna try this chicken salad on my celery sticks. I'm keeping things low carb today. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.